Hello my friends, this is Market Commentary with Axiory, and today two topics. So we are still waiting for election results. Too close to call, still they're counting votes, and well, what we know for sure is that there was no red wave. So Republicans were about to take a lot of seats, and we by far. But it's not about to happen, and this race is really tight. Senate is very tight. We still don't know who will win. In the House, yes, Republicans gained a few seats. Ahead of the final results, as you can see, indices are having a small correction, but yesterday we had the same, let's say, outcome after the elections, and the indices were climbing higher. Today we do have a correction, but you can see this is Dow Jones. We are still on very high levels. We are on the dynamic resistance. Breakout of this green line, for example, on Dow Jones will mean a buy signal, and it's very likely to happen. Of course, also correction here will be pretty normal. So ahead of this final results, indices are still bullish. Another thing is that we're waiting for inflation data from United States, and definitely, well, I mean, this data will be more influential. It will have bigger impact on the prices on the market than the election results, which are pretty much discounted. So what inflation data we are expecting? So the prices apparently in October rose by 0.6% comparing to September, and on a yearly basis we are expecting 7.9%, which would be a drop comparing to the drop to the reading from September, which was 8.2. What's euro-dollar doing ahead of this data? Well, you can see this is a daily chart. We had three bullish days in a row, and yesterday finally correction. Is this correction happening in a random place? Of course not. You can see here on H4 chart that it happened on a dynamic resistance. This is upper line of the pennant, and this is also important horizontal resistance, and we are back slightly above the parity, and I guess before the inflation data, we should not get bigger moves. We will just wait for the final results, and definitely inflation data should bring us volatility and a big move on the dollar, and also in general on the forex market. Thanks very much for watching, and I wish you all the best in your trading.